Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to my panels. My name is Mohamad Zharif bin Mohamad Zaki. I am final year student of Bachelor in Civil Engineering. My poster presentation topic is about estimating average daily traffic from network centrality measures. I'll briefly explain what is my whole study is about. So ADT is a parameter that required by engineers to analyze traffic operational performance. Due to high budget in conducting manual and automated traffic count, it is only applicable to selected route and not to all route. So we have to create another idea how to estimate the ADT. So this is where the network centrality measure comes. Network centrality measure is an analytical method developed based on graph theory which quantify the relative importance of node or link in a graph. The concept were initially developed in social network analysis and later in the fields of urban geography, spatial planning to forecast the ADT. To summarize, if that link is important and fulfill users' needs, the link will attract more traffic. Links with more route will attract more users. And the two centrality that we'll be using to represent this importance of links is the betweenness and the closeness centrality. So the main objectives of this study is to develop ADT estimation models from network centrality measures by using Topsys evaluation technique. Second is to estimate average daily traffic by using the developed model for all links in selected study area. So the methodology that we will be using throughout our study, I'll be explaining briefly at the middle of the flowchart. We first compute the centrality measures. We use the centrality measures as a composite value by using the Topsys evaluation technique. So that's where the Topsys comes. And then we estimate ADT by develop ordinary linear regression model. And finally, we display the result. So my selected site study area is in Tumpat, Kelantan. Okay, we go to the results. So first of all, you see there are three tables, which the first table have the rank links and the betweenness, and the second is rank links and the closeness, and the third is rank links and the Topsys score. So these three tables plays a very important, which we compute the measures, the centrality measures to be used in the model development. So as we can see the ADT estimation model. ADT estimation model, how do we develop this model? We use the ADT that are already census by the HPU Highway Planning Unit, which there are three links in the Tumpat area, and we use that three links to develop a model. From y equals to 46,463x plus 11,204, it will be our estimation model to estimate other links in our selected study area. So the significance of and the relationship between the ADT and the link score, which can be seen, r squared equals to 0.9057, which indicates a very good strong relationship between both of the variables. Okay, so as you can see from the tables, we have the links, Topsys rank, Topsys, and estimated ADT. So this is where the final results of this display. This is the final display results that we are looking in our study. So the map is the distribution of the influential links in the study area, which we only show five best from each betweenness, closeness, and Topsys score. The red one represents the closeness, and the blue one represents the betweenness, and the black one represents the Topsys score. As we can see, all of them are located at the center of the study area, because the center is where people are using the most. They are very near and very close to the town of the Tumpat district. This can be proof that our centrality measures really shows a very good a very good indication of how it can measure or estimate the ADT, because the traffic will surely be surely very high at this links, and this central, and this as the links which are very centered to the district. Okay, so as for the conclusion, it appears that the current practice of using this model has resulted reasonable accuracy estimates of ADT. The proposed alternative approach have reliable accuracy without imposing any additional cost or change to the current data collection program. However, there are few limitations that we have discovered through our study. First of all, the existing ADT data is not sufficient to represent the whole district. If more ADT data available by the HPU, it will produce more reliable and more accurate model, as a higher variation of data can be interpreted. In developing model, other factors should also be considered, such as the independent variables, such as distance to the city, attraction places, travel time, and land use. Throughout our study, we are only using one factor, which is the shortest distance from origin to destination. Hence, further study need to conduct, and taking into consideration the above mentioned factors. I think that's all from me, which is I'm sorry if there is any anything that the panels are not understand, because we need to keep this very short and very packed as we can, and I'll try my best to brief all of it in this presentation. That's all for me. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.